Hi, I'm Kelsey, and I'm here with attorney Kristen Schlera to talk about the Making Homes Affordable and HAMP programs for homeowners. So, Kristen, there's a lot of confusion about these programs. I know that there's new changes that have been made since June 1st.
That's correct. The Making Homes Affordable program offers alternatives to the foreclosure proceedings. They can modify your mortgage payment or, if necessary, transition you out of your home without going through the foreclosure sale process.
And how about the Home Affordable Modification Program, also known as HAMP?
Well, the HAMP program modifies your mortgage payment by reducing your interest rate, extending the term of your mortgage, and in some cases, even reducing your principal if you qualify.
How do you know if you're eligible for these programs?
Well, there are a lot of qualifications, but a couple of the big ones are your lender must be a HAMP participant, your loan must be in default or in imminent default, and your monthly mortgage payment pre-modification must be greater than 31% of your monthly gross income.
Can you tell me a little bit about these new changes that came as of June 1st?
Sure. The HAMP program introduced a second tier of review. So those who have been denied for HAMP under the first tier can now reapply and get re-reviewed for a modification.
So can you tell me a little bit about these new guidelines?
Well, the new guidelines allow for your modified mortgage payment to be as low as 25% of your monthly gross income, and it now allows for rental properties to be reviewed for HAMP and modified if the loan is in default.
All this stuff sounds pretty complicated.
They can be, and we've really only scratched the surface. We recommend that people consult an attorney to answer their questions. They can call KEL toll-free with their questions or come in for a free consultation. And if they need legal representation, we offer affordable, flat rates for most of our services. KEL Attorneys. Call 800-NEW-LAWS or visit us online at kelattorneys.com.